Hi, this is Kara Martinez, and this is my video and audio response to the role of philanthropy. I'm going to discuss the SPC, or South Plains College Foundation, external foundations, how our strategic plan plays a role, and some attempts to help students through philanthropy. We have several events that are put on by our SPC Foundation each year. They're the very traditional golf scramble and gala, which according to Drummer and Marshburn are kind of outdated, but I guess we tend to stick with what works. The golf scramble this year made almost $52,000, and the gala this year made $223,000. Last year it was a little higher at $252,000 because we were able to bring in a South Plains College alumni, Josh Abbott, and the Josh Abbott Band. So they raised a little extra money that year, but it tends to be pretty stable as far as what we make off the gala and the golf scramble. We also have scholarships that these events help sponsor: college-wide scholarships, program-specific scholarships, and activity scholarships. Activity scholarships could be for our cheerleaders or our rodeo team. Program-specific could be somebody who's a psychology major or a welding major. And then, of course, there's just college-wide scholarships that you fill out the application, you meet the requirements, and you're eligible for the scholarship. Our scholarship budget for the foundation is a little over $1 million each fiscal year. We also have external foundations that we work with. We're kind of in an interesting situation in that our tax base is in one county, but we have multiple campuses in another county, which benefits us really when it comes to foundations. So in the taxing district in Hockley County, they've worked with Prosperity Bank, Excel Energy, and some car dealerships to have cars donated to our automotive program and tool sets donated to the automotive program. In Lubbock County, where we have 2 campuses and we will have 3 campuses in 2 years, we work with the Lubbock Economic Development Alliance, the CH Foundation, the Helen Jones Foundation, Talkington Foundation, United Supermarkets Foundation. Those are some foundations that have helped us establish our culinary program and our newest Lubbock location. Sadly, I don't have anything to report on the state and national foundations because we just don't have any relationships there. And it's probably because although it is listed as a priority project in our strategic plan, it's not something that we have started. It's not something we've taken advantage of. We don't have a grants office. We don't have a grant writer. Grants usually just fall in someone's lap, and then they become the person who writes the grant and hopes to get the grant. But eventually, we hope to have a grants office so that we can take advantage of external funding to help the college. We have done some philanthropic efforts to impact students, obviously through our scholarships with the foundation. However, there's usually about $50,000 in scholarship funds that go unawarded, mainly because we just run out of students to give them to, or there are not enough eligible students for the scholarships. We did visit Amarillo College a few years ago. We went to their ARC, their Advocacy Resource Center, and saw their clothing closet, their food pantry, how they use external resources in their community to get free eye exams for their students or car maintenance for their students, anything to keep the student enrolled. It's part of their retention efforts at Amarillo College. And we've started to do some of those things here. We have food pantries established at all of our locations, but we would like to do a lot more to help our students. And maybe the extra money that's left over in the scholarship fund for the foundation can help us get that started, because I know that's how Amarillo College got their Advocacy Resource Center started, was through their foundation. So I've given you a very quick overview of the South Plains College Foundation, some of the external resources that we use, how it should be incorporated into our strategic plan, and then some attempts to help students through our foundation and through our philanthropic efforts.